The letter B makes the sound P, P, P. Can you say it? P. Spread your arms above your head and open them to the sides. Yes, you've guessed it. Then you pretend to be a peacock, opening your pretty perfect peacock feathers. Stand on one spot and gallop like a horse. Every time you gallop, say the sound H, H, H. Are you a bit tired now? Exercise is so good for you. Let's do a face exercise. We are going to exercise our mouth muscles. That way you will be able to pronounce words much clearer. Blow, blow, blow. Until you blow the P and the H sounds together. You just created one of the phonics, the F phonic. It makes the same sound as the letter F. The letter F also makes the sound F. Would you be able to do the following things by putting your lips together, as in the F sound? Let's say the F sound and pretend to do the following actions. That was fun, even though it did not work that well. Let's blow the letters together. What sound do the P and H make when you blow them together? Yes, the F sound. By putting phonics together, we can build words. Let's read the words aloud. You are more than welcome to pause the video at any time to repeat the words. F, f, phone. F, f, phonics. Photo. Pharmacy. Alphabet. Nephew. Elephant. trophy. Dolphin. Do you know the next phonics? Read them aloud. Well done! You are getting better and better at identifying the different phonics. I don't know about you, but I love jokes. What is the funniest joke that you have ever heard? Stop the video and tell your friend or teacher. You've guessed it. We are going to read some jokes with the f sound words. Pause the video if you first want to think about the answer. How can you tell if a bee is on the phone? Stop and think. You get a buzzy signal. What sound does the letter P and H make when they get together? You know that one. It's not actually a joke. F for phonics. What kind of photos do lobsters take the most? Lobsters take shellfish. Funny. Why should you be quiet inside a pharmacy? You might wake the sleeping pills. What has more letters than the alphabet? Do you know that one? The post office. I saw my nephew after a long time and said, "Wow, you must have grown a foot since I saw you last." He said, "No, I still only have 2. Why couldn't the 2 elephants go swimming together? Because they only had 1 pair of trunks. Silly. What is a dentist's favorite trophy? A little plague. Good one. If dolphins lived on land, which country would they live in? Do you know that one? It's not the ocean. Dolphins would live in Finland. That's a very clever joke.